Hi everybody, Bonnie Lee here, and I'm sailing on Silversea. I'm on the Nova, and I'm by the pool deck, deck 11, and I found Dr. Curtis.
Hello, family. How are you
There,
all?
and he is a doctor of mixology.
Yes,
He's
yes,
my
I
kind of
am.
guy.
Yes,
So, do you all make just alcoholic drinks here, or do you have non-alcoholic drinks?
yes. We do mocktails also, and I can also do nice regular cocktails.
Oh, that's awesome because I think many of us, I don't drink that much. And I go, I don't really need to know Dr. Curtis. I'm just going to have some sparkling water. But now that I know you do a fancy mock cocktail, you and I we're going to be good friends.
Definitely.
So,
So
what are you going to make?
I'm gonna give you the medication for your vacation. Oh yeah. And thanks for making your appointment with me. Okay.
Yes, I could hardly get in. I wanted a private appointment. And he said, oh, you're going to have to wait until whatever today is, Sunday. You're going to have to wait till Sunday. But I love the fact that you guys have such good opportunities for people who don't necessarily drink. Oh, is that a coffee machine too, or what's that?
Yes, coffee
Oh,
machine. We do all the coffees also. We do espressos, lattes, cappuccinos, and we add flavors to them also.
oh.
So we can flavor them up, make them delicious.
What is the most requested cocktail at the pool deck bar?
Well, a lot of guests goes for pina colada, sometimes a little refreshing, something like Aperol Spritz. When it's
Oh, that's my favorite.
it is phenomenal, phenomenal. But I have my special that I make.
Yes.
It's a mango spicy margarita. It is out of this world.
Oh my God, I'm going to have to come. Well, no,
Yes.
I don't have to keep coming back. I can drink them all
Yes.
just in succession.
Yes.
I'm going to just sit here. Oh, look at that. I'm hearing sugar.
They're really nice and red and pretty for you.
That is gorgeous.
Yes. Phenomenal.
I love a really good, refreshing cocktail or mocktail. It doesn't really matter to
No
me.
problem.
So on sunny days, is this bar really humming?
Yes, it's buzzing like crazy.
I am certain of it.
Yes.
And do people have to come up here to get a drink from you, or do you have?
No, not really. We have servers that walk around.
Oh,
They
good.
take the beverage orders. They come back to Dr. Curtis, and I distribute the medication for the vacation.
Oh my God, you
It can be a mocktail or a cocktail. I got it covered.
you are the perfect bartender, Dr. Curtis.
Yes.
Exactly. So engaging and so fun.
Yes.
How long have you been bartending?
So I've been doing this for over 20 years.
How old? No, okay.
Yes,
Okay. I can't really ask how old you are, but I'm gonna say you must have, started serving when you were much younger.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, and you obviously like your job.
I don't like it. I love it.
You guys, while he's getting that, well, look at the view out of Dr. Curtis's work window. Skagway, you are looking at those incredible mountains, the scenery. Ooh, he's going to the top shelf. Whoa. What is he getting? What did you just, lots of stuff.
Yes, so don't get tricked by the bottlers. All these are non-alcoholic
Oh,
liquors.
really?
So we can go crazy with the mocktails. Make them look spectacular.
Oh, that feeling of inclusion.
Yes.
When you aren't a drinker or when you don't enjoy spirits,
Yes.
the feeling that you are included with your friends who maybe are having an Aperol Spritz,
Most
a
definitely.
margarita, all of that is so important. Wow, these are very cute bottles.
Yes. It's quite fundamental that everybody's happy and everybody's giving a cocktail that they deserve. Either it's a mocktail or actual cocktail, you need to just be happy, and I can make everything possible.
My God, Curtis, how did I stumble on you this morning? Walt and I were just walking along, and this shaker man, oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh.
This is what you call liquid happiness in a cup. I'm gonna garnish it up.
Oh, my sister-in-law Lori is all about garnishes. You
Oh,
never
yeah.
serve it without a garnish. She'd be very proud of you, Curtis.
Put a little bit of orange slice on it. And then I'm gonna give you a straw. Phenomenal. Look at this. Instagrammable.
It is. Oh, and it matches my. Wait, it matches my
Oh yeah. Oh,
pants. It matches my pants. Okay.
phenomenal.
So, what is this called?
This one is gonna be your favorite. What's your name, you say?
Oh, Bonnie Lee.
So it's gonna be a Bonnie cocktail. Oh yeah.
Oh my God! I have the pinnacle of my career. I have a drink named after me.
Yes,
Now
yes,
let's see.
yes,
What do we
yes.
got going on?
Nice, refreshing, complex, mind-blowing.
Okay, everything he said, plus it's incredibly delicious and no alcohol.
Zero alcohol.
Oh, so if somebody really did want to order this,
Yes.
don't come and order the Bonnie Lee cocktail
No,
because
no.
he'll be like, I remember her, but I don't know what I made for her. What do we have going on here?
So inside we have orange juice, a little bit of sweet sour mix. Then these are non-alcoholic liquors. I put a non-alcoholic spirit spice sugar
Oh,
and a little bit of spirit amaretto. And I
oh,
combine it with a little bit of spritz.
because something tastes kind of grapefruity.
Yes.
So what is this really called?
it's gonna be like a tropical mix.
Okay.
So it's like a tropical spritz. Yeah.
Ooh, a tropical spritzy
Yes.
mix. Dr. Curtis,
Yes.
my good man. Thank you,
You are
so
quite
much. You
welcome.
made my morning. You made my morning.
Definitely.
This drink and my pants, I am set.